History teaches us that when the established order fails, it is the youth who courageously carve a new path forward, because the victory of one is the victory of all. As we gather today, we reiterate the truth that our young people are the hope of our nation.
We warmly welcome you to the very first
Quezon City Seal of Good Youth Governance Awarding and Conferment Ceremony.
Today, we come together not just to celebrate, but to recognize the hard work, dedication, and the belief that our youth, especially our SK officials, play an important role in shaping governance in our city.
So how do we answer these critics? We answer them with proof. We answer them with excellence and undeniable results. In this context, the seal of good youth governance is our collective, defiant answer to the calls for the abolition of the SK. We are showing the entire country that our SK leaders in Quezon City are vital to the success, to the progress, to the development of our beloved city.
The Seal of Good Youth Governance also reminds us to always raise the bar, to set high standards, and to give our very best as public servants. But more than a recognition, the seal is also a challenge to prove that the youth, when entrusted with leadership, can raise the standard of governance through transparency, accountability, and service with heart.
Now, as an SK that is elected by your fellow youth, that you are there to make a difference in their lives, a positive difference in their lives. And never forget that mandate. And you can never go wrong if you always put the people at the center, front and back of your service.